Canva is an extremely powerful tool if you want to design anything. Today in this video, I'll show you two different ways how can you use Canva to generate PowerPoint presentations. So very quickly, let me show you what am I talking about. Currently, I'm in Google homepage, and if I just type canva.com, then you will be able to see this kind of an interface. Now, I already have a Canva ID. You can use your Google credentials to log in. I will add one link in the description below. You can use that link and you can also join. I already have a paid plan, but using the free tier also, you will be able to generate these presentations, but with some additional catch. So once you log in, you will be able to see this kind of an interface. So currently, this is the interface. Now, if I click on create, you will be able to see this kind of an interface. If I click on presentation, then it will show you multiple different themes. All these are available. Now, whenever you choose any of the theme, it will show you all those slides. You can see there are multiple different slides are already there. You will be able to use any of this slide, and then you can edit each and every part of those slides. Whatever you want to do, everything, right? Any editing, anything, everything you will be able to do. You can see this image, all these options, everything is editable. And that's the best part of Canva. You have the full control that how do you want to change your content. So this is one way. Using the existing templates, you can start creating your presentation. I already have a very detailed video available on this channel where I shown you each and everything, all these animations, everything, positions, all those things were covered there. So if you want to understand it very detailed way, I'll also add that link in the description below. Now let me show you another way, and that's using AI. How can you generate PowerPoint presentations using Canva? Again, I go to menu option, I go to home. There you'll be able to see this kind of a bar is there. If I click on Canva AI and I paste my prompt, I normally use this prompt to generate any of the PowerPoint presentation using generative AI. I'm asking Canva AI so that it can generate the presentation for me. And if I click on this particular button, then it will start generating the content for me. Let's see what it generates. Currently, you can see it's generating this content and the structure for me. Slide by slide, everything is now ready. This is the way it can give you the structure. Now let me show you another way. If I go to create, then I go to presentation, then maybe I go to a presentation 16:9. So this is a blank presentation it created for me. Now one option is there. If I come here and here I paste my prompt, and then I hit enter, then you can see it is working now and it will generate a presentation for me. It normally takes some time. For me, it normally takes, well, I would say 15 to 20 seconds before it generates. Currently, you can see it generated. Now, if I click on see all, so these are the design it generated based on my prompt. Whichever I would like, I can use. If you just mouse over, it will show you all those slides one by one. You will be able to understand what's the content. Maybe if I click on this particular option, there are 15 different slides. I'll click on that and then I will click on apply all 15 pages. And then if I click on it, then you can see based on my prompt, Canva AI generated this presentation deck. If I just click on this arrow, and then this is the one. If I now just click on share, download it as maybe a PPTX file, and then I click on download, then you'll be able to see the amount of detail it generated and the quality of the content it generated. Now this is ready. You can see this is the file. If I double click, now it will open in PowerPoint. If I put it in the presentation mode, look at the quality it generated. And it generated based on our prompt only. So whatever I asked for the how as artificial intelligence improved and how LLM thing came, or what are the prominent tools are available, everything it mentioned here. Now one best part is all these details are editable. If I come back to Canva, each and every component, all those things, whatever you see, everything you can change. If you want anything else, that also you can do. You can click on elements, you can bring in all those things, and you'll be able to keep working on it. So instead of starting a PowerPoint presentation from scratch and staring at a blank screen, this is another better way to start. You can use Canva to generate your PowerPoint presentation. I shown you 3 different things. First one, using the template, and that was the normal one which was available in Canva for very long time. Any of the existing templates you can use and you can build on it. Second one, I shown you how can you generate the content using Canva AI. And the third one, and that's the best part, how can you use Canva AI to generate the entire slide pack with design, content, everything. And entire thing is editable. Now Canva comes with some of the paid plan. Utilizing the free tier, you will get some 10 credits using which you can generate PowerPoint presentation, but all those images, other things, there will be watermark, other problems. But normally Canva is not very costly. You can see if I click on my photo and then I click on plans and pricing, monthly subscription starts from 500 rupees. In Indian currency. So if you're watching it from other part of the world, then you can see in your own currency also. But this is not a very expensive tool. PowerPoint is one thing, but Canva also have plethora of other tools available within that. And if you want to know more about Canva, I earlier recorded multiple videos using multiple different features. I have added one playlist here using which you will be able to know more about it.